Hello guys, welcome to Rhino's World. Me and Mons is gonna play Jenga Blocks.
What's the worst introduction in my life?
Let's go. Now we need to make it. So me and Mouse are gonna make it so we can play now. But for some reason we don't have the dice. So bro, where's the dice? Hello guys, we finally built the tower. And we didn't find the dice, so we did this.
Can you show me?
Oh sure. This one is the yellow one. This one is the green one. This one is the dark blue one. This one is the red one. This one is the orange one. And you know why it's purple? Because we didn't find any oranges. So we just did this. Now what falls first, that's what we get. Yellow. Now we get the yellow. See? It's easy. Now it's time for Rhino's turn. Oh, the one that falls first is the blue one. So you get the blue one. It's this one. Yes. Now give me it. Okay, here we go. Now it's time for my turn.
Okay.
It's blue as well.
Where's that? Okay.
It's kind of hard over there. It's a little hard sometimes. Okay, guys. We now got these 3 blocks, and now we're gonna. Whoever is the manyest blocks is gonna lose, and the tiniest one is gonna win. Okay, now your turn. Oh, seems like this one fell. So you're gonna get light blue. Okay, my turn. Here again. Look how cute the penguin is. We turn it into light blue because we didn't find the light blue here. Oh, I got yellow again. Okay, that's easy. Here. Now I got 3 blocks, and Rhino. Dark blue fell first. And Rhino has 3 as well. Oh. We need to put the same option. What if it falls? You can take everything when it falls. Okay. My turn. Give me all of it. Oh my god. Okay, now it's my turn. Okay, now.